Have you ever felt like you're one decision away from either moving forward or getting stuck in place? Imagine if the choices you make today could determine your entire path, leading you to success or leaving you just short of your goals. In this video, we're diving into 7 crucial decisions that can shape your destiny. These are the very choices that separate leaders from followers and the successful from those who struggle to keep up. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with practical, actionable insights to avoid common mistakes and make decisions that propel you forward. If you're ready to align your choices with a future you're excited to build, stay with me, because these 7 decisions just might redefine your path. The video opens with engaging questions designed to resonate with young professionals and new managers. Have you ever wondered if a single decision could set you on the path to success or leave you just one step behind? By focusing on pivotal choices that separate leaders from those who fall behind, we introduce viewers to the main concept: 7 key decisions that shape one's destiny. We assure them that, by the end of this video, they will walk away with clear, actionable insights that are immediately useful. Setting the stage for a practical and motivational journey, the first decision we'll dive into is the choice between embracing risks and playing it safe. Here, the focus is on the balance between taking calculated risks that can lead to new opportunities and staying within a comfort zone that may offer stability but limits growth. We discuss how people who embrace risk, whether by tackling a challenging project, moving to a new role, or initiating an idea, often open doors that propel their careers forward. The transition to self-improvement is natural. As we discuss how risk-taking aligns with a growth mindset, we then shift to emphasizing the importance of consistently choosing self-improvement over stagnation. This decision is foundational for anyone aiming to grow into a leadership role or make a substantial impact. We talk about how those who prioritize learning by reading, networking, or taking courses consistently outperform those who rely solely on their current skills. Using an example, we highlight a new manager who invested in learning communication skills, which enabled them to manage their team more effectively. The takeaway here is straightforward: viewers should actively look for learning opportunities, treating self-improvement as an ongoing commitment rather than a one-time effort. From self-improvement, we transition seamlessly to the power of relationships. Networking and collaboration are essential for those seeking growth and influence. In this section, we explore the decision to build relationships versus working in isolation. We discuss how successful leaders often attribute their achievements to meaningful connections, showing that no one reaches their goals entirely alone. Using a relatable example, we illustrate how building a support network provides both mentorship and opportunities for advancement. The actionable insight here is to inspire viewers to actively seek and maintain valuable connections within their industry, emphasizing that these relationships can be instrumental to success. The conversation about relationships sets up the idea of accountability. Here, we delve into the importance of taking responsibility rather than blaming others. This decision is crucial because it reflects a person's integrity and resilience. Leaders who take ownership of their actions and decisions, even in challenging situations, build trust and credibility. We present a scenario of a professional who faced setbacks but took responsibility, using it as an opportunity to learn and grow. By contrast, we briefly discuss how those who shift blame miss out on valuable learning experiences. The takeaway encourages viewers to adopt a mindset of accountability, using challenges as learning moments that ultimately strengthen their character. The theme of accountability transitions well into setting a clear vision. Here, we emphasize the decision to prioritize long-term goals over short-term satisfaction. We discuss how focusing on a future vision often requires sacrifices and delayed gratification, but is essential for creating lasting success. This section includes a relatable example, perhaps of a young professional who made the decision to invest time and resources into a demanding program, eventually reaping significant career rewards. Viewers are encouraged to reflect on their goals and understand that every short-term decision can either align with or detract from their larger aspirations. We provide practical tips on how to set and stick to long-term goals, making this section actionable. Following the focus on long-term vision, we transition to the importance of self-awareness through feedback. Here, we explore the decision to actively seek feedback rather than avoid criticism. Embracing constructive criticism is a cornerstone of personal growth and effective leadership. We offer an example of a professional who, by seeking feedback from peers and supervisors, was able to identify blind spots and improve significantly. We also briefly discuss the potential downsides of avoiding feedback, such as missed opportunities for growth and improvement. To make this actionable, we encourage viewers to create a regular routine for seeking feedback, and suggest ways to receive it constructively. This section reinforces the idea that welcoming critique is a pathway to becoming a stronger, more effective leader. Building on the idea of growth through feedback, we transition to a solution-oriented mindset. This decision focuses on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Leaders who approach challenges with a problem-solving attitude tend to find creative solutions that set them apart. We illustrate this concept with an example of someone who faced a significant work challenge but instead of getting discouraged, used a solution-focused approach to turn things around. Viewers are encouraged to adopt a proactive mindset, especially when facing obstacles. By framing challenges as opportunities for innovation and growth, this section includes practical strategies for training the mind to focus on solutions rather than being weighed down by difficulties. As we near the conclusion, we briefly recap each of the 7 decisions. We emphasize that while these choices may seem simple, their impact on personal and professional growth is profound. We remind viewers that these decisions are interlinked. Embracing risk requires self-improvement, building relationships enhances accountability, and so forth. This recap reinforces the cohesive structure of the video and underscores the cumulative power of making intentional, positive choices. In closing, we deliver a memorable conclusion by reinforcing that our choices shape our destiny. We remind viewers that leaders aren't born overnight, they are the result of consistent, intentional decisions. We end on a motivational note, urging viewers to commit to making these 7 decisions part of their journey toward success. This final message serves as both a call to action and a source of inspiration, encouraging viewers to take charge of their destiny. We prompt viewers to comment on which decision resonates most with them, fostering engagement and creating a sense of community. We also encourage them to subscribe for more growth-focused content, positioning the channel as a valuable resource on their path to success.